Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. I finished frying my fish here, you guys. Golden brown. Look at that. And I just got me 2 pieces of bread. I got some potato salad down there, but I passed on it because I made this shrimp pasta salad right here. I know you probably can't too much see it because of the lighting. Okay. My shrimp in here. I'm sorry. Shrimp and my pasta. I have cheese, onions. I have cucumbers and little tiny bacon bits. I was going to put sausage in here, but I didn't feel like doing all that. That would have been a bit too much. So we're going to put ranch on here, then we're going to say our grace. I got some hot sauce on there. Got a little of this left. This is so good. Okay, so let's get to start. Amen. All right. So I got the TV on, watching this stuff. It's so sad. Something expired for the people to leave the war. So that was too short of a time frame anyway. 24 hours.
As you know, Foreign Minister, the U.S. State Department has advised all American citizens who are still in Gaza right now, if they want to get out, to go to that.
This is a must try.
Border crossings into Egypt, to get as close as they can right now to leave elsewhere in Gaza and try to head south towards the.
And I'm not going to eat the 2 pieces of bread. I don't even know why. I even put that on my plate. I didn't have no more tartar sauce. I thought I did. Some people like mustard on their fish. I never tried it like that, so I'm not going to knock it or anything. It's probably good, but I never tried it. Let me eat this fish.
What's your bottom line, Egypt's bottom line message to the U.S. right now? Well, I wouldn't put it in terms of a bottom line.
Last time I looked out, it was still raining. And cold. But I managed to get some sunlight downstairs. What I mean by sunlight, I open the blinds so I get some light down there. I haven't fried catfish in a while. But like I said, I usually don't fry fish. Fry a lot. I fry fish, but I don't fry chicken and stuff like that. I don't do that. And you watch my videos, you see I don't fry chicken.
Do you see any peaceful resolution emerging anytime soon from what's going on in Gaza?
I don't eat a lot of fried food.
Clearly, the Israelis are facing for a massive ground invasion to try to destroy Hamas in Gaza. Well, we are always optimistic and we're always calling for peace to be prevalent in the area to find a solution based on the international legitimacy.
Actually, I don't eat a lot. You know, my kids being grown, I made this pasta salad would last me. It's just a half of one, but it would last me for maybe 2 or 3 days.
cooperation with the state to find a definitive resolution to the conflict. It's hard to do so on a military activity.
This pasta salad. Mm.
We believe that we have to deal with all of the various aspects. Has Egypt condemned the Hamas terror attack on Israel that occurred a week ago? We have been very clear that we do not accept any form of targeting of innocent civilians. We have said so in our public statements. We have said so in recent issues by the Arab League. It was one of the issues on which we insisted.
Wow.
And we continue to believe that all concerns must conform to international humanitarian law and avoid any grave violation or what could be viewed as crimes against humanity. The Foreign Minister of Egypt, Samah Shukri, thank you so much for joining us. I know it's an incredibly busy time. We appreciate it very much. Thank you all.
And our thanks to Wolf Blitzer for that very important interview, very timely, joining us now to talk about this, and global affairs analyst Kim Dozier. Kim, thanks for being with us this evening. Can you just pick up on Wolf's interview there with the Egyptian foreign minister of what is happening at the Rafah crossing? If you can help us explain to the viewers
I heard a little bit of poem.
Focusing on this. Why is this so critically important?
Well, that is the only crossing through which dual national Palestinians, Americans, European citizens have to go down, as the airlines checkpoint in the north is completely shut, as is the commerce, the only other commerce gate out of Gaza. But the Egyptian minister was very carefully saying that the other side of the border checkpoint, he carefully didn't say the side run by
It's so crunchy.
has been bombed. He didn't say who bombed it, but he also carefully said that people with
I got up at 6:30 this morning.
would be allowed through Egypt. In other
Dark,
words,
raining.
Egypt's not going to just take Palestinian refugees. They're not going to take tens of thousands of hundreds of thousands of refugees because they fear they could become like Jordan, like Lebanon, overrun the
And I wanted to lay in the bed a little bit longer because it was just so peaceful, warm in my bed, dark and rainy. I couldn't even do that.
the Gaza side of that border in order to let these Palestinian nationals come through. The Egyptians are basically saying it's not on us.
Right. And I heard the Egyptian foreign minister saying it's the
This is so
border is
good.
open, crossing is open. As far as we're concerned, he was very careful in how he
On his side.
expressed that. On his side, yeah.
Well, the way these borders, I have not been through the Rafah border crossing. I've been through Erez, and there is just a series of gates and security procedures you have to go through. And the Erez checkpoint is staffed all by Israelis until you get to the very.
I'm not going to eat this piece of fish right now. I'm probably going to hold on to that a little later. But I am getting full. But I know that pasta salad, because that's what I really wanted.
That's why we saw Secretary of State Blinken trying to negotiate some sort of opening. At this point, it seems like efforts to negotiate humanitarian passage haven't
I had that hot sauce.
And is it possible that this development is delaying the launching of this ground incursion into Gaza by the Israeli task forces?
So,
One of the questions that I had, Ken, is that if
I don't know where my remote at.
Palestinians to leave northern Gaza,
So, I thank you guys for watching.
but that crossing is not open to them to go.
I'm going to polish the rest of this off.
Don't want masses of Palestinian refugees coming into their country.
And this salad. And it's so good.
Potentially,
Ooh-wee.
the southern part of Gaza, without that crossing being open.
Yeah,
It's so good.
going to Rafah means going into Egypt. It means leaving Gaza altogether.
I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back
You're not going to allow that kind of traffic.
with another video.
Hostages,
Maybe later on tonight.
were released by Hamas. So I think also what's been delaying
Then maybe not. But I will be back shortly, you guys. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye for now.